D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, overnight edition here. We're going to go into a few things tonight. Not a lot of severe weather going on, so we have the Davison risk factor. Tropics, they're ever-changing. We have the Roanoke and Triad forecast, and definitely a look into our weekend. Davison risk factor, very low chance of any severe weather going to occur today. Wind will be the most likely thing if it does occur out in the areas near Arizona or in the southeast coastline. Tropical update, this is the most probable area and the most active area. We have Tropical Storm Earl and Hurricane Danielle. Hurricane Danielle, the tracks are still taking it, near Bermuda. After that, there's a couple different probabilities where it might go. Earl now taking it west, and then it also curves it around, and models are all over the place. So these are two areas that are definitely interesting. You need to watch, and there's also this area out here of disturbed weather in the Gulf of Mexico. Taking a look, this is the National Hurricane Center plot for Hurricane Danielle. See, it comes east of Bermuda here, and then after that, it's still up in the air. What's going on? We'll show you that in the models. Earl, like I said, takes a more of a westerly course. This is also a Hurricane Center map. Once it gets to here, where does it go after there? Does it turn towards Bermuda? Does it go to the southeast United States or the Mid-Atlantic? Taking a look here at the computer models, you can see what we mean by all over the place. It gives pretty good to about 30 north, and after that, it just goes wacky. We have some that are pointing it toward North Carolina and Virginia. You have actually three of them that are doing that. The NGFDL, the Hurricane WRF model, and the no gaps model. And no gaps I'm not too thrilled ever with. We have GFS turning it out, and then we also have the GFDL turning it back towards New England. I mean these models are all over the place. They have been. So the best thing to do is nowcast and listen to liveweatherblogs.com for the latest information on this. And that also is the same for the Tropical Storm Earl. I mean, it has this thing, some turning really far out east, and some of them coming west of Bermuda and making a turn. So there's a lot of uncertainty still with these models. So listen to us, liveweatherblogs.com, for the latest updates on these tropical systems. We'll have Bob Canfrio, Rob Garino, Mike DeFino, and Mike Masco, and others taking a look at this information for the next couple of days. Taking a look at a satellite picture of Hurricane Danielle. It looks pretty good. It's a really symmetric system. The low pressure is in the middle of this system, and it's going around. Has nice outflow on it. Let me take a look at Earl. It's not have a whole lot of showers and thunderstorm development around the center, but it does have a nice outflow. So this thing is still developing pretty well. Atlantic wide, you can see there's some dry air in here. This is something we gotta watch. Like I said, where it makes a thing. This is a pretty big storm also, so there looks to be some impact on Bermuda of some sort. Let's see the model. Look at the model intensity. It drops off after 96 hours. It gets into cooler water, obviously, but it's up in the 80 to 120. The one shifts model still pulls it very high, and then Earl just pulls it strengthening over the next 132 hours. Now taking a look at our Triad forecast, you can see it stays partly sunny throughout. It gets warmer by Monday with 92. It starts getting into that heat wave period again. And also with the Roanoke Valley, we have the same type of thing here. It stays in the 80s throughout though. Getting near 90 on Monday with more humidity, but we get nice dry air coming here through the weekend. So it's going to be a beautiful weekend here in the Roanoke Valley and the North Carolina Triad. This is D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Have a great one.